Arewa, shame on you. You are not representing us. Northerners reject AYCC calls in support of SARS. Arewa Youth Consultative Council yesterday wrote an open letter to President Mohamed Buhari asking him not to scrap SARS but he should reform it. There is also some news going on now that this set of people are planning a protest in support of SARS in all 9 states in the northern part of the constituency. According to a popular Niger Twitter user and a columnist in Daily Trust, posted about the plan by some Northerners claiming to be AYCC to protest in support and solidarity to SARS. Thank you for listening to this news. That is their problem. That's a problem. If they like, they don't support the end SARS protest. If they like, they should not support. That is their problem. Everyone with his own ideology and thinking faculty. You see, this issue of end SARS, this issue of end SARS, there is no need to be too patriotic or to be biased about it. If you are biased about it, it will backfire you. You better speak your mind now that the opportunity is there to do the right thing, so the right thing will be done. You understand? Because it pains me so much when people finish supporting some persons and at the later on they will start casting the person that they are in support of. Example, this administration. I remember how cogent and strong our Nigerians were in support of this administration. Most especially the person of Tunde Bakare, how he was agitating and was supporting the President Buhari that yes, he is a person that we need, yes, he is a right person, this and that. But now look at his complaints. See how he complains all the time. I'm not surprised. You understand now? So it's like that. So I hate it. So it's better you speak up now. Speak up now or forever remain silent. Speak up now so that the federal government will know what to do. You understand? So I don't like blasphemers. I don't like pogmunzas. I don't like people that just speak your mind. Understand now? Speak your mind and stop deceiving people. Miyeti Allah, they are saying that the federal government should not scrap SARS, but rather they should reform it. Okay, no wahala. The federal government will not scrap it. But in future, if they have any issue concerning the SARS, any SARS operative, they should not call on Nigerians. Yes, they should not call. Because now everyone is speaking Yama, they are trying to be too religious. You understand? They are trying to be too religious. Is it because they have not dealt with them? Is it because they have not attacked them? Is it because they have not done anything tough to them? I laugh. They don't even know the people they are actually talking about. Okay, now, they should not end SARS. They are trying to see how to help curb out the atrocities. They are even committing more. They are trying to see how they can help press down the atrocities. They are busy committing more. If truly they have that spirit to change, if actually the spirit to change is in them, now that the protest is going on, are they not supposed to be calm? Are they not supposed to be calm? Instead, they are still committing more. To let you know, these people are not security force. These people are thugs. They are thugs. Let's tell ourselves the truth. They are thugs. They're not supposed to function as security operatives. You understand? So let's tell ourselves the truth. No need of painting the whole story. These people should be scrapped once and for all. Let that unit in the police force be scrapped. No one is saying that Nigerian police should be scrapped, but it is a unit. Since SARS operative is a unit in the police force, let that unit be taken off. And if they want to bring on that unit, no wahala. But SARS should be taken away. SARS should be taken away. Should be taken away. Even these vigilantes are even more better than them. They are too corrupt. It's just like, okay, bringing SARS into the Nigerian police force is just like doubling corruption. Just like doubling corruption, it's just like topping it. That's how it is. But we don't know. That's how it is. So the federal government should dismiss them. They should close their chapter. They should just let them go for good. We don't want to know if they are going to be jobless after the day. No, that is their problem. That's their own problem. No one is asking them of that. That's what they cause for themselves. That's their own cup of tea. You understand? That's their own cup of tea. Because no one told them to be hoodlums. No one told them to be thugs. They give them opportunity to be good citizens by giving them a job, but they made a mess of it. So what else do you expect? What else do you expect? What do you expect from Nigerians? So please, Nigerians should be allowed to express themselves. They should be allowed to speak up. They should be given the opportunity, because this is the time for them to speak up. This SARS, they have overdone. They have overdone. So let them go for good, so that the people we know the next line of action. You understand? So people know the next line of action and know what next thing to do, instead of deceiving the people. It's nonsense now. It's nonsense. It's nonsense. It's completely wrong. Alright? My viewers, you see, our problem in this country is biasness. Our inability to express ourselves and speak the truth. That's our problem. So please, my viewers, you really need to come into this matter. Alright? Your comments concerning all that has just been said are of great importance. Please, you deem it fit to leave your own comments below the comment box. Click on the subscription button as well as the bell button to get updated whenever we upload any new videos. Thank you.